Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be reinstalling my old DNA tow mirrors onto the 6.0 here. So it's sprinkling. We're going to try to get this done quickly, but I think I can nose the truck up in here over top of that. So I'm going to open up the doors, pull that thing in here a bit, and we're going to get started. So if y'all will remember, a company has sent in some lights for these side markers, and my Yitamotor mirrors, which Yitamotor sent to me, aftermarket lights don't fit because the light itself is smaller. So anyway, that's a deal breaker for me because I like all LEDs. I like my stuff to match. So I have all switchbacks, all LEDs. I want switchback LEDs in my mirrors. So we're going to swap those right now. Okay, so I'm sure y'all know the drill by now, but pop this trim panel off, and then you have two grommets on the other side of the trim panel. The trim panel covers these two. Already got that one off. Got this one loose. Now you will need to pull the door panel. You pop this up at the front, pull that forward, it comes off. You have a bolt here, stick a screwdriver in here, pry that off, comes right off. And then what I like to do, lock the door, and then you can feed this panel here right through the door panel and down as you work the door panel off. Okay, so now with your door panel off, it just lifts straight up, and they got little pegs that go down around the entire door, and then you can pull back this piece here and expose your plug in. Just squeeze it, or you can stick a screwdriver in here, press the little clip, and then unplug it. That's probably what I'll do. I can't quite get my finger down in there. And then after that, you can stuff this in this hole here in the door. And then when all your mirror bolts are off, you can pick it up, and this wire should feed right out through the door. Okay, so with the old mirror off, he's got it over there. We went ahead and swapped this gasket back on the old mirror, and now we're ready to fish the wire through and get these things bolted up. So for the wiring, you just stick one finger in here and kind of feel for it, and you can snake it on through. All right, guys, so mirror is back on, plugged in. And set this back up here where it goes. Everything's tight. Now you can go ahead and reinstall your grommets just like so, and then we can throw our door panel back on. Okay, guys, so we got this all buttoned back up. Now to swap your mirror lights, what you actually need a longer one than this, but you need a long flathead screwdriver, and there's a little tab right back in there. I don't know if you can see that. Press that tab and your mirror light should pop straight out, and then you can unplug your bulbs. Now this is one of the new ones, but I need to take it out and swap the wiring around because one of them's backwards here, but I will show you all that too. Okay, guys, so we got these plugged in. The mirror's going to fit in like this. So on this one, the top here is for the turn signal, bottom's for running light. These I don't think are going to clip back into the bottom here, or into the actual housing, but I want to try that. What I did is I had him turn the park lights on and get the white LED working, and then mess with the turn signal side. Make sure both of these are plugged up right before you put them back in. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to fish these wires back into the housing and see if I can plug them in, and then just put them right back into the mirror. But on these, you have this little tab. Push your mirror all the way up and over, and you can get a screwdriver right in there, push that tab, and this guy will just pop right out. Okay, so I apologize for the background noise there, but now that you have those kind of in there, the top one doesn't go in all the way, the bottom one does, but you can get this lined up. Make sure that little clip right there is behind there. You can kind of line it up, pop it right in, just like so, and now you can peel off and see your new markers. So now we can move on to doing the driver's side. It's the same exact process, and then after we get that one done, we will turn park lights on, take a look at them, and then the blinkers themselves. Okay, so got both sides buttoned up. Now, this is it's not exactly dark, but it's supposed to rain for the next few days, so we'll take a look at them in here just like this. But I'm gonna turn on park lights. So you can see park lights and park lights. Now these are pretty bright. Flashers. That way you don't have to turn the key on. So there's flashers. I mean, you can see them over there on the wall. Flash with the headlights. I'm gonna step back and show y'all. Flashing time with the headlights, and then back to park lights only. There you go. So you can see them lighting up the wall over there. So they are nice and bright. And then what I like about these is you don't have just one side that's on or just one side that blinks. I know some of the aftermarket mirror lights is just, I think they're both sides are on and then one side flashes. So these both flash, both are on, they're both switchback. So that is a very nice thing about these. But anyway, I guess we'll back this thing out of here. Okay guys, so I mean, again, you can see on the wall here how they light up the wall, and then on signal, obviously very, very bright. That's why I like LEDs. And now one more thing, kind of at the end of this whole little install thing, is you need to readjust your mirrors, because you tilt them to put the mirror lights in, but it takes about 2 seconds to do. And there you go. So now I guess we can pull this thing out of here, and that's that. So anyway guys, I know there's a little sneak peek somewhere in here of the next video, but anyway, so for these mirror lights, I will leave a link down in the description of this video to these mirror lights. And again, thank you for the company for sending these to me to try out and review. I will be doing some more review videos on these, and if it's not raining tonight, I will try to get some night shots of them working and whatnot. So anyway guys, I guess I will catch y'all tonight. I have some other stuff in the glove box, and then a little sneak peek somewhere here on the dash of an install that we just did earlier today. But anyway guys, I guess that's probably going to be a wrap for this video. Again, my Yitamotor tow mirrors over there, great mirrors. Great mirrors. They did great, but the opening on the mirror itself is just a little too short for aftermarket signals, whereas these, they fit fine. This one has a little bit of a wiggle to it in the light itself. If I can pull that in, you can see here they do got some wiggle to them. if you squeeze them in real good, they don't wiggle. So I'm going to try to figure something out about that. Keep that at a minimum. Try to keep it from rattling driving down the road. That one over there doesn't do it at all, which was weird because on my last set of Switchback signal lights, this one didn't rattle and that one did, or maybe both of them did, but that one was worse. I don't remember. But anyway, either way, with these, I'm pretty happy with the quality of them. They look good. They feel nice. They're smoked lenses, so they kind of blend right into the mirror on this truck. And I did debate on painting these mirrors, either doing just the top cap here like the newer trucks, or just sand it and paint the whole thing, and then paint the signals with strips in them. That way you can see the actual turn signals and whatnot. So drop a comment down below, let me know what y'all think about that. But anyway guys, like I said, this is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys. I hope everybody has a great day. And also guys, one more thing here I thought I would throw in at the end of the video. The Yitamotor tow mirrors, I'm not quite sure what I want to do with those. I know my grandpa over there is thinking about getting a 6.0, so I thought about keeping them, and then if he gets a 6.0, I'll give them to him, because these mirrors, the 08 to 16 style mirrors, are a night and day difference over the elephant ear mirrors that Ford put on these trucks. I absolutely love this style mirror, and again, there's nothing wrong with the Yitamotor mirrors, except for that turn signal. So I had these. I want Switchback signals because that's what I have in the front of the truck, so it just kind of made sense to go ahead and swap them back out. But I don't know, y'all let me know what should we do with those, and we'll go from there. But anyway guys, like I said, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one. And one more thing guys, again, one more thing, we do need a horn for this truck. So if y'all have any suggestions, drop a comment down below, because the horn that's in this thing is just hilarious. I think this truck has been wrecked beforehand. I mean, that fender over there seems to have a bunch of Bondo. The bed looks like it has a bunch of body filler. These two doors have like a tape line on them. There's overspray on the roof, all kind of stuff. But listen to this horn and kind of watch the look on his face. So this horn is horrible. We need a new one. So if y'all have any suggestions, drop a comment below.